Alright, I'm going to use the glue method with this RST Wood. I've cut my image out. Here's my candle with a wood top. Here is my glue. You can use Mod Podge too, of course. A squeegee and a brush. First, we're going to cover the top of the candle, the wood surface, with the glue, spreading it evenly so it's going to get a good bond. Okay, then we're going to put the image on and squeegee it down so there are no bubbles. Perfect. Okay, now we're going to let it sit for at least an hour. All right, it has been an hour for our little candle top. We're going to take off the RST wood. There's some white spots there, so I'm trying to see if I can get rid of those. It might have meant that the transfer didn't adhere for some reason well there, but I think this is going to work. Yep, all right. There it is. So you can see everything came off the transfer paper, and we have a nice little candle for meditation. Woo! Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and remember to hit the little bell button so you'll be notified of all new tutorials. Thanks, everyone.